Hi, it is our product. It called G Feedback. So here is the home page. You can check the feedback and message directly. So I'm going to introduce our three main functions. So the first one is request of feedback. You click here and choose request feedback. Sorry, I got a cold, so my voice is a little bit weird. So after you choose request feedback, you jump to this page. That means you can choose the category, like if you want to ask a question or skills or about your project performance. So here, let's, for example, let's choose ask the skills. So in this page, you can select a specific tag. It's more detailed. So yeah, communication, cooperation, design, blah blah blah. So go to communication. Then you need to choose who you want to get feedback from. There are two options. The first is you can choose to get feedback from individual people. So click here, you can see there is a history. Also, you can directly tap here, tap the name here. You also can choose the team. For example, I want to choose the marketing team. So when you finish it, you can type your specific question, like what stuff you want to ask about. When you finish, you can click the send. So it's all done. Yeah. Nice. And also there is a pop-up window to remind you you can request a new feedback. If we click this, it jump back to this page. Okay. Uh, I'm going to introduce the second function is to give a feedback to others. Okay. So we jump to this page. And very similar to before, you need to choose the person who you want to get the feedback. Like I want to choose Mark Fisher. Okay, choose the feedback tag. There is a lot of, also you can customize your own feedbacks. So I click collaboration. And so you can choose the feedback tab. Text form is very normal, so this time I would like to choose the GIF form. Here you can choose the character that can represent you to tell others your feelings about his performance. I choose this yellow one. Okay, so here is automatically tap the name and the title. You just need to write down your suggestion and click to transfer to GIF. So that means GIF is generating. You need to wait a little bit. When it's done, you can click preview. Yeah, it's complete and click send. It's very easy to send others. Also, there is a pump up window to remind you it's all finished. Okay. So for these two functions, I actually have a alternative pathway to do it. So let's go into the back, goes back to the home page. It's in the team page. So in the team page, you can see all the content of your team members, and also you can search the name directly. So for example, in here, you can see ask feedback button. So if you click this one, it's going back to this page. So you can directly request a feedback. And if you want to send a feedback to this person, you click it and go back. It's going back again. So yeah, it's very simple. So let's introduce the last function is community. In this function, the user could share their problems, their feelings, their advice in this page. You can see in here, you can type your own things like what's on your mind. And also in here there is like the timeline. You can see the 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours ago this person posted their questions. For example, this one, yeah, if you want to give a comment, leave a feedback here, you just could click here and write down your comments. And when you're done, you click send. Yeah, it's finished. So thanks for watching. Here is so that is all about the main functions. Yeah, cool.